And we're going down. Here we are at the Brayford Wharf, East Level Crossing in Lincolnshire.
Yes, Spike, start.
Hi guys, so we are at Brayford Level Crossing.
Hi, this is Spike,
Andrew, Onlinefrog, and
I'm
Brayford Level
I'm
Crossing.
at Brayford Level Crossing.
And that. And that.
Could have hangman for that. We were anyways.
We were probably going to.
That's why the Brisbane Council's round here, sir. Because you're meant to be paying for it.
there we
Right.
go. The time is 13:50 on Saturday, Saturday the 2nd of May 2015. This is for
Come on,
our
diagram.
13:54.
30 to 30 cents train system Doncaster.
Yeah, there's about 2 kilo 37 from Doncaster.
For the train service from Doncaster, expect arrival.
Look behind you, we're that way. From West Holmes.
Yeah, there's West Holmes up there.
Well, it's something like that anyways. Who cares about the wharf or the east?
Right, let's have a look. 15.
I don't see a wharf, it doesn't feel like it's east.
Yeah, 5 kilo 50's in, so there will be a 1510 Don.
Yeah, well now anyways.
Unless this is 1510 Don.
That bang though, I didn't see how slow that gate was, but I think it's back up to tune now.
Is it?
Anyway, I think this is 321 back from Don.
Oh, we've just got to wait about half an hour to see.
Or something.
This she is.
Yeah, it's some 153.
Oh, what do we
From-
have?
from Doncaster.
13:51 now.
Yeah, all set for. What's he doing down there?
Luke, why are you stooping down on the floor?
There we go, 13:55, 2 kilo 37 for the train service from Doncaster.
Here's a 3.
Expect arrival 15.
153321, I think that is.
Lovely.
153,
Yeah, 21.
Is it? Oh yeah, 153321.
153,
That's good today. All the services have got like a bottom like there. Liverpool is there.
153321 from Don.
Doncaster to Peterborough.
Into Lincoln
To
Station,
Peterborough?
which is just
Over there.
over there,
Up they go.
where Lincoln Central Crossing is.
There it goes, and
Finish it off.
By the way,
sit.